Hey guys, how's it going? How to check if it's an unlocked iPhone. So insert a different SIM card. Remove the SIM card and insert a SIM card from a different carrier. If the phone works with the new SIM card, it's likely unlocked. And secondly, go ahead to the settings, cellular, and if you see an option to switch between carriers, it may indicate that the phone is unlocked. Use online IM or IMEI check. You find the phone's IMEI by dialing right here. Let me type it for you. Right here, star, right, and then hashtag 06 hashtag, right. They're basically gonna be able right here to see that device info, and you're gonna see the IMEI, or you could go to the settings, right, and then go ahead to the general, and then go to about, and you're gonna be able to see the phone model. You can use an online IMEI checker or service provided by your carrier to verify the unlock status, right? And reach out to the carrier's customer support and provide them with the IMEI number to check if the device is unlocked. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And